Davantech is a manufacturing and engineering company. With product assembly, we create added value. You benefit from our skilled team. At the same time, you save labor cost and overhead. Shipping empty plastic enclosures, or fully assembled enclosures, have the same shipping cost and volume. At Davantech we can handle simple, as well as complex assemblies. Each product is handled with care. Our motivated people are educated and experienced to assemble products, conform the specifications. They have an eye for details and quality. Contact us if you want your products assembled by a professional team. Davantech, your one-stop partner.